Hi guys, ini adalah Math Form 4. So, ini adalah soalan nombor 6 dan soalan dia meminta kita untuk mencari find the equation of the normal. So, kita diminta untuk mencari persamaan garis normal ya. So, untuk kita cari persamaan garis normal, kita kena faham apa yang dia bagi. So, the facts that is given to you over here, those are the information. So, macam mana kita nak faham soalan ini adalah macam ni. Okay, ini adalah soalan differentiation ya. Soalan differentiation untuk form 4 at math. Now given to us, given the normal to a curve y equals to 10x minus 2x square at the point P is parallel to the straight line of y equals to negative half x plus 9. So basically kalau dia kata macam ni, kita nampak curve tu bentuk dia negative, so dia set face curves. And then dia kata dekat sini, given the normal, we have this is if this is our tangent, this is our normal. It has to be. Okay, I'm gonna have to change the color of the pen. Okay. So the normal is like this. Let's say it's like 90 degrees of your tangent line. So the normal of this one here for the curves is parallel at the point P. So the point P has to be here, which we don't know what is point P equals to. And then it has to be parallel to the straight line of this. There must be another straight line here or here, I don't know. But this straight line is negative 1 over 2. So the apa ni, dia punya kecerunan ataupun dia punya gradient is negative in shape. So negative in shape is like this. And they are parallel. Alright, so the equation for this one is y equals to negative half x plus 9, while the equation for the curve is y equals to 10x minus 2x squared. Alright, now from here, we know already that this is going to be our gradient. So the gradients are the same since they are parallel. Alright, since they are parallel, so this is their normal gradient, which is M2. Ya, keadaan di mana kecerunan dia adalah kecerunan normal, nilai dia adalah negatif 1/2. Bila kita ada kecerunan normal, when you have the normal gradient, you can go for tangent gradient, which is equals to negative 1 over negative 1 over 2, which is equals to negative 1 divided with negative 1 2 times with negative 2 over 1, which is also equals to 2. So this is your gradient for your tangent. Alright, so ini adalah kecerunan tangent yang kita dapat. The question was this one. The question asked us to go for equation of the normal. Now let me rephrase this one time. In order for us to go for equation of the normal, we need to know the formula for the equation, which is y minus y1 equals to m normal tangent normal means m2 x minus x1. So what do we need over here is this and this. This three item is crucially important. Where do we get this one? This is from your P. P is x1 y1. Those are your P. Here lah, x1 y1. Alright, and then your m2 is given already to you, which is equals to negative 1 over 2. Now the problem for us to go for the equation of the normal is we don't have our P, which is we don't have our x1 and y1. Thus, let's go and find them. Okay, so this is how we go and find your P coordinate. So this is how. Mula-mula kita tengok kat mana ya, macam mana kita nak cari nilai koordinat P kita. So bila kita ada persamaan curves ni, sebab dia nak cari P dekat sini, dia attach betul-betul, tangent betul-betul attach dengan persamaan ini. So kita hanya ada y equals to 10x minus 2x square. Kalau kita nak cari, kita tak boleh cari just macam tu sebab dia tak ada relation, kecuali M sahaja yang dia bagi kat sini. So apa kita buat adalah, dekat sinilah gunanya differentiations ataupun dy over dx kita tu, which is kita boleh samakan dia dengan kosong. Bila ini kita buat, ini maksudnya apa? Ini bermaksud kita dah dapat gradient dia. Gradient untuk apa? Gradient untuk curve ni. Okay, kita dapat kecerunan dia. Kecerunan tangent ya, tangent gradient. Gradient of the tangent. So kita dapat ini. Gradient of the tangent means M1 lah. Sama juga dengan sifar. So let's just say, let's find the differentiation. The first derivative for yang ni. So kita akan dapat dy over dx is equals to 10 minus 4x untuk ini and then this one has to be equals to 0. When this is equals to 0, then negative 4x is equals to negative 10, so your x is equals to over 5 over 2. When you have your x equals to 5 over 2, you can find your y. Just put it back inside here and then you will have your y equals to 10 5 over 2 minus 2 times 5 over 2 square. So you will be having, okay, 25 minus 12.5 is also 12.5. So we have our x, we have our y, and we also have our m square. So after that, we can just insert it in here in this equation, one that we talked about just now. So your y is equals to, because we don't have that much of like spaces for me to write, so I'm going to write it here, y. This is just the idea on how you can get the answer. So y1 is equals to 12.5 minus negative equals to negative half x minus x1, which is 5 over 2. And this is the basic equation for those. You can simplify them or you can just leave it be like that. Okay, selamat mencuba.